Step 1. Remove parts from inside your pallet box. With the pallet box facing away from you, lay it flat on your table surface. Insert the 1 3/4 inch bolts into one of the wood spacers and then insert into the pre-drilled holes into the pallet box. Make sure that the ends of the wood spacers are flush with the end of the pallet box, and then attach using the 1 1/4 inch wood screws. Remove the 1 3/4 inch bolts. Step 2. Set up your French easel or lay it on a table surface. Adjust the bottom canvas support so it will be out of the way of the pallet box. Make sure you've removed your art supplies from the easel before you continue. Set the pallet box onto the French easel, lining it up so that the center mass of the French easel is between the wood spacers of the pallet box. Mark the middle of the pallet box and the French easel to use it as a guide to keep it lined up properly. Open up the pallet box and make sure that the marks you have made are aligned before you drill the holes. Using a 3/8 inch drill bit, you can insert the drill directly through the holes in the pallet box and drill into your French easel. Step 3. You can pull the drawer for the French easel out to help support the weight of the pallet box as you're attaching it. Open up the pallet box and insert the two 1 3/4 inch bolts into the pallet box and through the French easel. While holding the bolts in place, open up the French easel and secure the pallet box with the brass washers and wing nuts. Step 4. Pull the thumb tabs back slightly and slide the paper towel holders onto the bottom of your pallet. You can then add your paper towels. Attach the water basin to the side of the pallet box using the 1 3/8 inch bolt. The bolt should be inserted through the pallet box. Add one of the washers next, then add the water basin and finish it up by adding the other washer and securing it with the wing nut. The final step is to slide the tall plastic cup onto the hooks on the side of the pallet box to be used for holding brushes.